You're gonna show us how to catch a Pokemon? Let us see. Oh, that was great. Oh. 10 out of 10. Would totally watch again. Hello everyone, welcome back to something you probably wouldn't expect. This is PokeMMO, but there's a big new update that has been released. We can finally do Sinnoh. Sinnoh region. That's Gen 4, for those who don't know. And I am so hyped for this one because I have been waiting for this one. It's such a good gen. There's good Pokemon. There's just I'm so hyped for this, and I'm so gonna do this one. It is online, so it's gonna be a little bit weird, but that does not matter. I'm probably going to rage a lot because I've done that before. That is basically how my hair is right now. I don't know. But yeah, this is for me. This is just I'm so hyped for this. So we can finally start in Sinnoh. I'm actually going to do graduation cut. That's the closest I can get. And do I want it to be blue? I want it to be white. Maybe purple. I don't know. Red. Maybe a redhead. Redhead Ed. Let's just do black. Blue eyes, always blue eyes. I don't have blue eyes, but let's do eyebrows and a pencil mustache. Black too, of course. That does not look good. Nah. Let's just do none. How long is the beard? Oh, that is a lot. Sleeveless top, long sleeve top, t-shirt. Gotta have a tank top, man. It's really cold now, but I would love to wear my tank top. Just have a white tank top. That's what we're gonna do. Shoes. Black shoes, I guess. And the pants are going to be white as well. Looks like pajamas. Finally, Sinnoh. That's what we're gonna call ourselves. Yeah, I think that's it. Your client does not currently support the selected region. Please verify you have all required rooms. God damn it! I need to do the ROM. The ROM. Oh no. I'll see you in a bit. Here we are. That concludes our special program. Let's ask Professor Rowan. Hell yeah. Okay. Brought to you by Jubilee TV on Nationwide Net. See you next week, same time, same channel. I call myself Sinnoh Woohoo. Just so you know. There you are. Hey Sinnoh Woohoo. Did you just see the TV? Sure you did. Professor Rowan's that really important guy who studies Pokemon, right? That means he must have lots and lots of Pokemon. So if we ask him, I bet he'd give us some Pokemon. Totally he will give us some Pokemon. Oh hey, is this a new PC? Where was I? Oh right. We're going to go see Professor Rowan and get some Pokemon. I'll be waiting outside. Okay, Sinnoh, if you're late, I'm fining you $10 million. Okay, I can't do that voice because that hurts my throat. We're gonna try to give him another voice. I don't know what yet. Sinnoh, Barry already left. I don't know what it was about, but he sure was in a hurry. He's always in a hurry, Mom. You know Barry. Barry the second Gary. Oh yes, Sinnoh. Don't go into the tall grass while a Pokemon might attack you. It would be okay if you had your own Pokemon, but you don't, so... But you don't, so... that sounded like... That sounded like she was like, You don't have one. Well, take care, sweetie. I can take care of myself. Look at that. Look at that Garchomp. Is that a Garchomp? I don't even know from behind. Thud. What was that about? Oh, hey, Sinnoh. Hey, I'm going to see Professor Rowan. You should come too, and quickly. Oh, geez, forgot something. I can try to remember that voice. I better take my bag and journal too. Oh, hey, Sinnoh. I've been waiting on the road. It's a $10 million. It's a $10 million fine if you're late. Oh, fine. I don't have $10 million, and even if I had, I would spend it on fucking, I don't know, get rid of the corona. Too slow. Alright, let's get moving to Professor Rowan's lab. What? Don't go into the grass, right? No worries, no problem. It doesn't matter that we don't have any Pokemon. Trust me on this one, I got an idea. Now listen, you know how wild Pokemon jump out when you go into tall grass? So what you do is you scoot over to the next patch of grass before any wild Pokemon can appear. If we just keep dashing, we can get to Sanjam Town without running into... Somehow I pressed twice, but I didn't. Okay, stick with me. Okay, here goes. On your marks. Hold it! You two don't seem to have any Pokemon between you. Then what is the meaning of going to the tall grass? Hey, Sinnoh, this old guy. It's Professor Rowan, isn't it? What's he doing here? They tried to go into the tall grass because they wanted Pokemon. What to do? Their world would surely change if they were to meet Pokemon. Is it right for me to put them on that path? Yes. You too. You truly love Pokemon, do you? Yes. Me too. I love Pokemon too. I will ask you once again. You too. You truly love Pokemon, do you? What? You can ask 100 times. The answer will never change. We'll both answer 100 times we love Pokemon. I don't know if I will say it 100 times, but... Right, Sinnoh? Yeah, sure. A pair of reckless kids who foolishly try to enter tall grass without Pokemon of their own. It worries me what people like that would do with Pokemon. Well then... Oh, sorry. Well then, forget about me, but give a Pokemon to my friend here. I mean, it was me who tried to go into the tall grass and all. How big of you? Well then, I will entrust you two with Pokemon. I apologize for putting you through that exercise. Blah blah blah. You must promise me that you will never recklessly endanger yourselves again. Now where? There is Dawn! Professor Rowan, you left your briefcase at the lake. Oh, is something wrong here? Ah, there it is. Down. Nice work. What was I about to do was to entrust these two with their own Pokemon. Pardon? Those Pokemon are hard to replace. Are you sure about giving them away? We exist side by side with Pokemon. There comes a time when people should meet Pokemon. There is a world that should be explored together. For them, today is that time. The place right here. Go on, open the briefcase and choose a Pokemon. Really? Professor Rowan? I can't believe it. I'm so happy now that I can't keep a straight face. Hey, Sinnoh, you can choose first. Hey, I'm practically a grown-up. I have to show some class here. You are the youngest one here. Boy, I'm actually 23 years old. I'm not gonna do the voices anymore. I'm just gonna... So now we can choose between Piplup, which we don't want, Chimchar, which we might want. Okay, fine. I'm doing Chimchar. I'm not gonna read anymore. It's too boring to read. Reading are for losers. Can I walk with my Pokemon? I can walk with Chimchar! And you're gonna have a Piplup. I know it. I just know it. Yeah, we can only do scratch, and it can only use pound, which means that Turtwig has tackle. We won. Easy. Leveling up to level 6, no problem. Level 6. 6 is actually Norwegian for 6. But it also means sex, yeah. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. We got Chimchar following us. Chimchar. Chimchar. Yeah. You want to go to the lake? I know. You want the legendary, which you can't really get. Cyrus from Team Galactic. Allow me to pass. Step aside. Did you hear that? That was Poker Legendary Pokemon. We gotta catch it. Oh, we don't have Pokemons. Starly is the flying type we're going to get, but right now we're gonna take it down. I'm yawning so much, I don't know why. Probably because PokeMMO goes so slow. I was actually about to buy some Parasiter earlier, like an hour ago or something, but I ended up buying apple juice instead. And it's empty. Because I was so thirsty, I drank it. But yeah, I don't know why I'm yawning so much. It's just there's something I do. But yeah, the game goes very slow. Because what is this? Cancel. Yeah, sure, I'm happy with that nickname. Didn't really give him a nickname, but oh well. We can give him a nickname later. But the reason is it goes so slow is that when I play on emulators, we can actually speed it up. Yeah. Can we stop talking, please? I just want to go, okay? Thank you. And we'll get TM return from him. from Rowan. I know I'm sitting and wiggling back and forth. I don't know why, it's just me. But PokeMMO is kind of stupid because sometimes you can't really change out your Pokemon. And if you change out, you're basically going to die. When you heal in a cave, not in a cave, but when you find someone that can heal you, they don't heal your moves, which is dumb. Welcome, what do you need? I'm actually going to just buy some Pokeballs. I can get Pokeballs from Dawn, I know, but I'm gonna catch a Starly right away. And the money here is not what it would be. Because in the actual game you would actually get enough to buy 10 Pokeballs. It's level 2. I kind of want to get one in level 3 if that is possible. That's a Kricketot. Not a Pokemon I'm going to have. In the beginning route here, I'm going to catch Shinx and Starly. That's the 2 Pokemon I'm going to catch here. And Bidoof when it comes to HMs. But we don't need that yet, so it's okay. So what we're going to do is that we're going to talk to our mom. Hi, Team Rocket Dude. I don't know why you're Team Rocket Dude, but this is not our mom. And there we go. She's healing us. And Barry's mom is gonna come in the door. Be like, hey, I didn't give Barry his map, and he needs it. So I will also get a dragon type on my team. You probably know who it is. It's gonna be a Gibble. Oh yeah, let me also get that Shinx and Starly. Not you, Bidoof. Not you. I'm probably bleeding right now. I like biting the skin of my lip. Oh, come on. I'm also in 2 hours I'm going to my mom's house to eat, and I'm so excited because I love that food that we're going to have today. It's Indian. It's tikka masala. It's the best when my mom makes it. Please be level 3 or higher. Okay, level 3. You won't die from 1 ember, will ya? Okay, good. Oh, we already got 5 Pokeballs. I thought we will get it when Dawn shows us how to catch a Pokemon. Starly was caught! And we get levels from catching Pokemon. That is cool. I don't know where Shinx is. Is Shinx even here? In this patch of grass? I think it is. Spadoof! I'm actually gonna put you at the top. Gonna try 2 more encounters. If not, I'll see if I can find a chinks in the next patch of grass. What kind of attacks do you have? Tackle and growl. Cool. It's a bit. Well, fine. Gonna go to the next patch of grass and see if we can find a chinks. I'm yawning so much. I'm so sorry. Good! Let me run! You didn't have to kill me, did you, huh? And see, I can't even run right away. That is also a thing. I'm gonna ember you. And me and my girlfriend are still into the whole Pokemon Go thing. What's funny is that she is Valor and I'm Mystic. And we were arguing. We weren't arguing. We're not arguing like that. But it was just for fun, you know. We were sending each other pictures. I was sending Team Mystic pictures, and she was like, "No, look at this." You're gonna show us how to catch a Pokemon? Let us see. Oh, that was great. Oh, 10 out of 10. Would totally watch again. See, that guy has a chinks. Pokefan Jeff. Pokefan Jeff. Great name. Great name. I'm gonna add him. Get away from me, Bidoof. I'm gonna add this guy. Cause he's cool. No, Pokefan Jeff left. Jeff, come back here. Pokefan Jeff. Great. That's a starting level 4. Why couldn't I get that starting level 4? Really? You're not gonna let me run? Good. Oh shit, I chose tackle. I got a crit. Get another crit. Kick its ass. That's what you should do. We're gonna change that to Chimchar. Hopefully level up Starly this way. Wow, Chimchar is getting beast. Pokefan Jeff, can I add friend? Pokefan Jeff is currently busy in Canada. I accept your request. That's okay. I'm gonna just wait for him to be done with the small battle he has. I gotta add him, man. His name is just Pokefan Jeff. Hey, he accepted my friend request. Maybe he can catch me a Shinx. So I don't want to go up here before I get to Shinx because there's trainers up here that we want to battle. And we want to Jinx when we battle. Fire is top to strongest here we got a game and more like number 2. You're Gary the contender. There we go! Shinx! That's what we need. You're gonna use tackle on me, bitch. I may actually change to Chimchar and tackle you with Chimchar. Scratch you with Chimchar, sorry. Hopefully you don't take too much damage by that. Good! Perfect! Bag, catch it. Woo! It's a female. That kind of reminds me of something I know. I know what to call it, but I'm not gonna call it that either way. There was a crush I had a long time ago. Long time ago. She was a fan of Luxray, and I decided to name the Luxray after her, but I'm not gonna do that anyway. I'm gonna find a better name. It's just Luxie. That's why it was called. Oh, now we find Jinx just right away. Couldn't even fucking snap. I was about to yawn, but when I did this, it was over. So you have a Starly too, huh? Level 5 this time. Do you have an electrical move, Jinx? Probably not. Only tackle. That's it. Ember! Kind of want to put Jinx in top because it only has tackle. Bidoof. Bidoof. That doof is a bidoof. Ha! Chimchar's gonna take you down. Gonna take you down with an Ember. Okay, take you down with 2 Embers. We learned Leer. Yawn, yawn, yawn. We hope to see you again. That's not very nice to say. I hope your Pokemon get hurt so I can see you again. That's basically what she said. I'm just gonna get myself something to drink. Which Pokemon does he have? Tell me! I can hear you. Is it a Kricketot or Zubat? Oh, it's a Burmy. So let's see. Burmy level 5. I would use Starly, but I don't have Peck. But all Burmy can do is protect. And sometimes it will fail. So just keep on tackling Starly. Oops, too slow. Oh, come on, you can't use 3 protects after each other. There you go. Fail. I actually also bought Welcome to the Game 1 because I have the second one, but I can't really play the second one because I can't hack, and you need to hack in it. Or not hack, but do they connect to internet stuff? And I can't do that. Because I'm not smart. But I bought the first one because I know it's easier. Yeah, you can't beat me. I know it's a Pokeball over here. It's another Shinx. I just need to... I don't know why I have paper in here. You know, yawning too much makes your nose runny. High level 3 wild Shinx. My level 5 card Shinx is going to take you down. Level 6. I don't know when it learns any moves, any electrical moves, but we'll see. Done. You can't really see the full sides because I had to show the middle of the Pokemon screen. I had to cut a little bit of that side out and a little bit of that side out. So that's why I can't see the whole screen. I will play on emulator too, but the recording program can't take it. So sadly, I'm not going to be able to do any randomizers. Yeah, he should be in there studying because he needs to study that beach. I'm gonna go get a fishing rod first before I go into the school thing. And I'm gonna see if I can find any other Pokemon to catch. Don't think there is any other Pokemon to catch, honestly. I have what I want. Right now, at least. Gonna have a Gibble, then I'm gonna find a water type, and another random type we'll find. The question is, what water type is it in Gen 4 that we could get? Someone caught a fucking Arceus? Dude, what the hell, man? I mean, since you gave me the fishing rod, I mean, I can try to see what I can find here. Oh shit. Is it only gonna be Magikarp? Is it only gonna be Magikarp? Good. It's only gonna be a Magikarp. Level 10! And the thing is, it only knows Splash, so we can train on this one. It's gonna take some time. You know what? I'm gonna cut this part away. Just for you. And there we go, level 7. Holy shit. You actually caught a Magikarp? Oh my god. This chick has a Magikarp. That's a dead Magikarp. You're gonna get a zombie. Oh. Hey! Okay. So I don't know what water type we're probably gonna catch sometimes. I don't know. I don't know what water type we're gonna catch. Go a little bit with Shinx. Shinx is adorable. No, I just literally just. Oh yeah, I need to go to the school thing. I'm just going around being dumb. X attack. Cool, let me talk to Barry and then I'm gonna battle the 2 kids over there. Because that is good experience training. See you around, Wolf. No, that's Wolf Among Us reference right there. See you around. Can I get a battle with you, sir? Let's battle. You're level 6, I'm level 5. But I have quick attack too. I know you have quick attack, but I have quick attack too. Take it down, take it down, take it down. Yeah! Yeah! Starly, Starly, Starly. Right now, my girlfriend is currently also sleeping a little bit more. She's allowed. Ah shit, I should have changed out so I could level up. But oh well. So I'm actually very tired, so I should just take a nap before I'm going over to my mom. So I'm gonna finish this school thing, see if there is anything else to do other than just I don't know. These others will not fight. It's only those two. I'm actually just going to end it here, and yeah, I'm gonna be so hyped for this. Next time I won't be so tired, I won't yawn all the time. But anyway, I am so excited for this one. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you next time. So, thanks. Bye-bye.